He's got a record of 14 wins, 12 losses and no draws. He weighed in at 58.7 kilograms. Please give a big warm welcome to Robbie Brown. Directly across the cage is his opponent in the red corner. He's fighting out at TNT in Sunderland. He's a record of 7 wins, no losses and no draws. He weighed in at 60.2 kilograms. Please give a big warm welcome to Sam Bird. We scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds. Your referee is Joe McNally, and the action is about to begin.
Both men out quickly here. Another highly anticipated bout. Sam Bird shoots for a double.
Lovely takedown there from Sam Bird. Robbie Brown doing a great job of stopping advancing position though there. Looks like he's worked on that a lot. Because in the past I know Robbie struggled with people who took him down, but he's looking quite advanced here.
Nice right hand.
Nice shot there by Sam though. Nice job by Robbie there. Nice pass there by Sam Bird. Nice shoulder position. Robbie Brown climbing the cage though. Nice. Robbie Brown's looking quite dangerous off his back though. He's constantly attacking for stuff and he's making it hard for Sam to work.
Oh,
nice. Sam's got the arm there. It looks like Robbie's already out though. It looks like the elbow's already passed. Nice. Robbie looking to pass now. Robbie landing some shots of his own now. Heavy shots there.
Sam pushed up against the cage.
Nice work there. Got the body lock, pulls him back to the mat nicely and passes. Looks like he's going to take Robbie's back. Oh, he's working that arm under the chin. Robbie doing a good job of defending though.
And fighting.
I'm impressed with how much Robbie's come on, because in the past I've seen him struggle with people who's took him down. He's looking like he's holding his own here with Sam nicely, and I know how good Sam is on the ground, you know. Nice shots there by Sam. Great control there, nice.
Really good work from Robbie.
Oh, Sam's stretching him out nicely there. Land some shots. Last 10 seconds of the round.
Really good defense from Robbie.
Sam finishing the round on top, just chipping away nicely. Very good first round. Nice right hand again by Robbie though. He's very confident in the stand-up.
Nice head kick. Nice spin. in the back kick there.
Oh, Robbie's landed some really heavy shots here.
Sam shoots for a double.
Double leg against the fence here for Sam Bird coming. Got to watch that neck though. Pass is lovely. Great work. Robbie landed some nice shots in the exchanges on the feet there. Sam Bird lands some nice shots there. Robbie looking to push off the fence. Oh, nice attack on the arm there. Robbie's doing a great job of defending again though. I'm definitely impressed, a lot more impressed with Robbie Brown this fight than I've been in the past.
Sam Bird at the back of his feet.
Nice left hook there for Sam Bird. Landed again, nice counters, lovely. Robbie's still pressing forward though, confident.
Nice front kick. And nice right hand there as well from Robbie.
Nice takedown there by Sam. Landed some heavy shots from the top there.
Again, Robbie just controlling his wrist.
Sam looking very relaxed here. Landing heavy shots again, wearing him down. Heavy shots. Is the choke there? I don't know, it's hard to see. Robbie's doing a good job of defending up to now. Hit him again! Sam's still softening him up. I like that wrist control he's got with his left hand so he can chip away. Still landing heavy shots. He's got it.
In.
Oh, nice. Reignated short win for Sam Bird. Moves to 9-0. Great fight. Very impressed with Robbie Brown as well though. I think that's the best I've seen Robbie Brown look, to be honest. He's
just the constant pressure from Sam Bird, just moving too much in the end.
Great win for Sam.
Hi, ladies and gents, let's hear from both the warriors in the cage. We have a winner in the second round. By way of rear naked choke, ladies and gents, and your winner in the red corner, Sam Bird. Also, let's hear it for your runner-up, Robbie Brown.